Today we get to go on a jungle safari and meet lots of different animals. Let's begin by putting up our tent. Coming up to stand, everyone. We take our feet nice and wide and our hands up above our head, like a tent. Now let's check the zip works by going all the way down the front. Here we go. Zzz. And all the way up again. Zzz. 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 Let's go down. Zzz. And up. Zzz. Zzz. Oh, phew. Now we can get into our tents and be up nice and early to see all of the animals coming to lie down, and let's snuggle into our tents, enjoying a nice peaceful rest under the stars. In the morning, we're woken up by the sound of the Tweety birds. Let's come into our Tweety bird pose. Up onto our knees, everyone. We take our arms nice and wide, we wrap them round, and we go tweet, 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 tweet. And look, we glimpse outside of our tent a little monkey jumping around. Let's do some monkey jumps. Coming up onto our tippy toes, everyone. After 3, we do a big monkey jump in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo-ah! And again. 1, 2, 3. Woo-ah! Very good, everyone. Now, this little monkey is, in fact, a baby gorilla. Baby gorillas are called infants, just like we are when we're babies. And look, in the distance, we can see the band of gorillas coming this way. Let's do our gorilla pose. Standing up tall, we take our feet wide and we give our chests a bit of a thump, going ooh, 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 ooh. And down on the ground as well. Ooh, 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 ooh. Rolling up to stand. We'd better tiptoe away to leave them in peace. Shh, 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 shh. We've come to some rocks. Let's come into our rock pose. Down onto our knees. We fold our body all the way forwards, making ourselves into a rock shape. And look, slithering around the rocks is a snake. Let's come into our snake pose. Coming onto our tummies. We bring our hands under our shoulders and we roll our shoulders back as we lift ourselves up to go sss. And next to the big snake is a little snake, a baby snake. Now, baby snakes are called snakelets. Oh, look at them slithering around the rocks together. Let's head further into the jungle by taking some big steps. Coming up to stand. All the way up, we take a big step forward. Ready? Big step. And all the way back. And let's try it on the other side. Big step. And we've come to the riverbank where there's a boat waiting for us. Coming into our boat pose. Sitting on our bottoms, we lift up 1 foot. We lift up 2. We lift up 1 hand. We lift up no hands. And give me a wave. Yay! Now, we need to row this boat down the river, so we stretch our legs out long, we take hold of one of our oars, and we row. And as we row, we sing, row, row, row your boat. Do you know that song? OK, let's do it now. Here we go. Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, that was very good. Now we need to row with the other oar. So we put that one down and we pick up the other one, lifting it up, and let's sing again. Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Oh my goodness, because we have seen a crocodile. Let's do our crocodile pose. Lying on our sides, we take our arms long and we lift and lower our top arm, going snap, snap, snap. Very good. And look, next to the big crocodile is a little crocodile. Let's do our baby crocodile pose. Coming onto the other side now, we take our arms up nice and long and we do some more snap, snap, snapping. Very good. Now, baby crocodiles are, in fact, called hatchlings, and that's because crocodiles hatch out of eggs. Now, let's sit up and cross our legs and have a little look through our binoculars to see what else we can see. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, we have a look through. Oh, look there. Through the trees, we can see an elephant. Coming up into our elephant pose, we stand up, we take our feet nice and wide, we take one hand behind us for our little elephant tail, and we reach up with our trunk. Yes, now we do a big trumpet at the sky. Oh! We swing all the way forwards and side to side like an elephant. Coming all the way up to stand. Now behind the big elephant is a whole line of baby elephants. Baby elephants are called calves and they're very, very cute. Let's make a line of baby elephants. We turn to the side with our little tail behind us, lifting up our trunk. We fold halfway forwards to take hold of the tail in front and we stomp from side to side. Here we go. Stomp, 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 stompity stomp, stomp, stomp. Yay, well done everyone. Coming all the way up to stand. Now, back at our campsite, we see, snoozing in the midday sun, a whole group of lions, the kings of the jungle. Let's do our lion pose. Coming down onto our knees. After 3 claps, big roar sticking out our tongues. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good, everyone. Now, a family of lions is in fact called a pride of lions, and the baby lions are called cubs. Now, cubs haven't learnt how to roar yet, so they just stick out their tongue. Let's do a little baby lion cub roar. Are we ready? After 3, we're just going to stick out our tongue this time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good, everyone. That was very cute. Now, what a lot of animals we've seen. I think we should sing our Walking Through the Jungle song to help us remember a few of the ones that we've seen today. Let's come up to stand. It's very easy to sing. I sing a line, then you sing it back, and we do a yoga move for the animals. OK, let's march. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a monkey jumping at me. OK, everyone, let's do our monkey jump, coming all the way down onto our tippy toes, and after 3, a big monkey jump in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo-ah! Very good, everyone. Now come up to stand and let's walk through the jungle a little bit more. Here we go. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a snake hissing at me. OK, everyone, let's do our snake pose. Coming down onto our tummies, hands under our shoulders, rolling our shoulders back to go like a snake. Very good. Let's walk through the jungle a little bit more. Coming up to stand, let's walk. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a crocodile snapping at me. Let's do our crocodile pose, lying on our sides, taking our arms nice and long, and snap, snap, snapping our jaws. Yay, well done, everyone. Now let's walk through the jungle a little bit more, coming up to stand and walk. Are we ready? I wonder what else we'll see. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a lion roaring at me. OK, let's do our lion pose, coming down onto our knees. Then after 3, big roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How wonderful. Wow, after all of that, all of those amazing jungle animals, I'm ready for a nice rest. So we take ourselves back to our campsite and get into our tent to snuggle down. We lie all the way back, enjoying some lovely peaceful time to have a rest. What a lot of animals we've seen today. What a wild time. Now, I wonder, if I say the name of an animal, whether you can make a picture of it appear in your mind. Let's have a go. A monkey. Can you see a monkey in your mind? A gorilla. Can you see a gorilla in your mind? A snake. Can you see a snake in your mind? A crocodile. Can you see a crocodile in your mind? An elephant. Can you see an elephant in your mind? A lion. Can you see a lion in your mind? Well done, everyone. Now it's time to wake up. So we wiggle our fingers and our toes. We hug our knees into our chest and we roll over onto our side. We press ourselves up to sit, crossing our legs. And we bring our hands together at our hearts to finish with our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Wow, well done, everyone. You were awesome on the jungle safari. I hope to see you again soon for some more yoga time. Bye-bye.